This is a table, and now you can use them directly in inspections. Rows, columns, all of your repeat checks in one place. They help teams move faster and stay consistent during repeat checks. From SWMS and risk assessments to ITPs and quality checks, tables give you a clear, structured way to capture data without rebuilding the same questions every time. Let's take a look at how tables work, from setup to completion in the field. We'll cover how to add a table to an inspection template and use a table during an inspection. Let's make sure you have the right permission or access. You'll need either the template's create permission to build a new template or conduct edit access to edit an existing one. Ready? Let's roll. Head to templates. If you don't see it, check under more. It's hiding there. We'll edit an existing template. To add a table, click Add New. Then select Table. Each table is added as its own page. I'll rename this table so it's clear what it's for. We'll build a simple QC check as an example. When you build the table, each question you add becomes a column. I'll type the question name. This becomes the column header. Then I'll choose a response type. Although questions still look similar to rows in the template builder, you can see the columns being built in the preview. Click here to add additional questions to the table. Let's skip ahead as I add the remaining columns. Now we have a QC table ready to go that uses text, number, and multiple choice response types. You can reorder columns, rename them, or add more at any time. And if the table page isn't in the right spot, you can rearrange pages just like any other part of the template. And once you're ready, don't forget to publish to share the changes with your team. Now let's see what this looks like in the field. I'll start an inspection using this template. For this example, let's skip to the next page. Here's our table. Tap to start filling it in. After answering, seamlessly move to the next column by tapping Next. Fill in the details, and move to the next one. Each row represents a new entry. Tap to add a row. Tables help frontline teams move through repeat checks quickly and consistently, making inspections faster, clearer, and easier to standardize. For more tips and tricks, search tables in our Help Center. Keep exploring ways to make inspections faster for your team. Head to help.safetyculture.com.